Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. This is the price prediction video of Bitcoin. Okay, and we saw a huge dump today from 64,000 to 58,000, $6,000 dump. That is approximately 5 to 7% of dump today. So I will not talk about any news. I will only take a look at the chart. Okay, so this is a chart which I have drawn few days ago, and this is the weekly chart. So we are looking at a bigger picture. Okay, so keep that in your mind. I'm not taking any news into account. I'm just going to talk about the chart. Now let's take a look at here. The price started to move up, okay, since 19th of July 2021, and after that we saw the first wave, then a pullback, okay, the continuation of second wave, and maybe this could be a pullback towards this area. This is the first scenario if we talk about the the Elliott wave analysis on the weekly and on the larger time frame. Okay, on the larger time frame. Okay, one, then pullback, two, and then a pullback. Maybe we're gonna see 55,000 or 57,000 maybe next week or something like that. Okay, and after that we could head towards the next target of 75 to 74,000 if we follow the same the Elliott wave. This is the first analysis. Okay, second thing, okay, if we let me analyze with the past analysis here. First wave, pullback, second wave, pullback, third wave, okay, then a pullback, and after that we saw a decrease, maybe another push, but after that we saw momentums towards the downside. You can see clear cut, this is the Elliott wave. You see, first wave, second, third the highest push, then a fourth pullback, then fifth another. So 5 waves. If I talk about the Elliott, okay, Elliott wave pattern, usually we see this type of pattern here. Clearly you can see here. Okay, first wave, then second wave on the pull, third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave, and after that we see a pullback movement. Now if we follow the same thing from the chart here, from the past charts, okay, from the past chart, let me delete everything just to let you know here. Just take a look from this small candle because this was an accumulation area, so I'm going to talk about from here. So just take a look from here. First wave, okay, then a pullback, second wave, okay, continue from that, third wave, then a pullback, fourth wave, okay, fifth wave, and 5 waves were completed. And what we just saw here, simply this is the same thing. Okay, just take a look at here. 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth was the top. Okay, fifth wave. Okay, again let me draw 1 2 3 4, and this one was the fifth one. Okay, so after that we saw decline, another push towards the downside, another push towards the upside. So this was the deciding area, and after that we saw this was an indication when we broke the previous swing low, and then another swing high, but that was lower than this one. So this was an indication that the price is gonna move down, and then we saw a huge dump and another push and then another pull. So that was a completion of the Elliott wave, complete Elliott wave pattern. You see, afterwards we saw 1, okay, 1 2 and 3. Okay, again just let me go through it. Okay, this was the fifth one. So after that we completion of this one. So let's assume this was the completion wave, and after that 1 2 and 3, 1 2, and this one was the third, and after that we went into the accumulation zone. So the wave, Elliott wave pattern followed. Okay, so this is how the Elliott wave works. And now after a few weeks of accumulation, we again started to form maybe another Elliott wave pattern. Okay, so this could be our, what you see, a pullback, a classic pullback, the first wave, second, third, fourth. Maybe we're gonna find out pullback towards this area because there is a gap in here. Maybe 55,000 is coming up. So let me just go back. Okay, let me check. Yeah, okay, so this is the longer view of the BTC on the basis of Elliott wave. Now let's talk about the second thing, the second analysis. Recently we saw this was a resistance. Okay, 58,000, it was a resistance previously. If we take a look here, this candle, okay, let me draw the level here, and just to add more, 60,000, this was our level of resistance. Here you can see many touches, and this is, mind you guys, this was a weekly test, not a 1 minute or a daily test. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 tests here. Okay, 6 7 tests after multiple rejections from the upside. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 tests from the upside. We saw a huge dump. Let me just recorrect it. Okay, just let me delete these lines just to let you know. Just let me check out. Yes, okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line maybe here in this body. Okay, now you can clearly see multiple rejections. Okay, I'm taking this as the level of resistance. So just hold on guys. Okay, yeah, this would be our good area of you can see the demand zone here. So if we see anything closing below this area, and that should be let me just turn on the magnet tool, 58,202 and 60,000. So this is our area of you can call it demand zone. Okay, so if we saw anything closing below this area, surely we are going down towards the 55,000. And why 55,000? Just let me show you with the help of this one. This is another pullback area. Let's try and find out. Swing high, swing low, this is an area. Okay, weekly areas on the Bitcoin are very tough to taken care of. So I'm trying to find out, this area could be our next target. It is this is the swing low. Okay, yeah, the same thing, told you guys, 55,777, as there are gaps in here. So we might gonna see a pullback maybe towards this area, as of the the Elliott wave is going up. Okay, 2 and then a 3 maybe towards this area to the previous this breakout candle. So keep an eye on this breakout candle and this one as well. So maybe 55,777 maybe coming up if we see anything closing below the area. So this is the general overall view right now, because right now BTC is bearish and we have no confirmation how deep can it go, how below can it go. Okay, we need a strong confirmation, a strong wicked candle. It will confirm that the price is gonna move up. Right now this is going down, and again, last thing, anything closing below 60,000 to 58,000, okay, weekly area, then we are going towards the 55.77. So more dump might be coming, and also there are gaps in here. After the breakout we didn't saw anything, so on the longer run maybe to some extent 50,427 can also be tested. So be ready for that as well. So guys, this is the price prediction on the long term as bearish. How deep can it go? So be prepared for 50,000 and 55,000. But if we see anything strong closing towards the upside, then third wave would be huge, and that would be touching the 74 to 75,000. So that was the analysis only on the candlestick basis. Okay, so thanks for watching it guys. Take care. Bye.